Butternut squash soup made two different ways. Welcome to iShare's Lavender Kitchen. Roasted butternut squash coconut soup. Let's get started. 1 medium-sized butternut squash. Cut the sides off first, then slice in the middle. Cutting the butternut squash into two can be very difficult. Be careful of your hands while doing this. With the help of a spoon, scrape the seeds out. Place your butternut squash onto the tray. Drizzle and brush some olive oil. Now sprinkle some salt and pepper. Turn your butternut squash over and roast at 200 degrees for 45 minutes. Peel 2 carrots and slice 1 medium onion in half. After 25 minutes, add the carrots and the onions with the butternut squash and continue roasting for another 20 minutes. Last 5 minutes of the roasting, add the garlic as well. Now chop your carrots into 3 to 4 pieces and place into a pot. Remove your onion from the skin and place into the pot. Carefully turn your butternut squash over. With the help of a spoon, you can easily scrape out your butternut squash and place into the pot. Now peel and add your 2 garlics. Roughly add 3 cups of hot water. Add 1 can 400 ml of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Cook on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the soup is ready, turn off the heat and blend until smooth. To garnish your soup, you can add toasted coconut. On a low to medium heat pan, add 1 cup unsweetened shredded coconut. Toast your coconut until they are golden brown. Adding toasted coconut and red chili flakes gives extra wonderful flavour to your soup. Now let's prepare quick and simple butternut squash soup. Peel, chop and slice 1 medium onion and add to your pot. Peel and slice 2 garlic cloves and add to your pot. Drizzle some olive oil and cook on medium heat until your onions are slightly soft. Cut your butternut squash into a convenient size to be able to peel the skin off. Using a spoon, remove the seeds. Chop your butternut squash into a convenient size and place into your pot. Peel and chop 2 carrots and add into your butternut squash. Add 3 cups of hot water. 2 cups 500 ml of milk, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Cook for 25 minutes on medium heat. Once the soup is ready, remove from the heat and blend until smooth. To garnish, you can add fresh chopped parsley. Butternut squash soup made 2 different ways. If you enjoyed watching my video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next video. Bye for now.